Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can set up inventory part items within the item list to create items for which you want to track the quantity and value within QuickBooks. You cannot show inventory value for a manufacturing company or where the inventory value is changed as it goes through a process, as that is simply too complex for QuickBooks to compute. However, if you have items that you purchase from a vendor, hold as inventory, and then resell to customers, you can set those items up as inventory part items for ease of tracking within QuickBooks. To do this, open the Items list, click the Item button in the lower left corner, and choose the New command. From the Type drop-down, ensure that you select Inventory Part. Next, you can enter the item name or number. If this is a sub-item of another item, check the Sub-item of checkbox and then select the main item for which this will be a sub-item of. In the purchase information, you can enter the description used on purchase transactions. You can then enter the cost if you have a set cost, or you can leave it blank and fill in the cost as you actually use the item within your purchase orders. You can then input a preferred vendor if you have a preferred vendor for the item. In the sales information section, you can then input the description as it will show on sales transactions, such as invoices, for example. You can then input your default sales price, or leave it blank if you want to change it each time that you use it within a sales form. Then indicate whether it's taxable or non-taxable, and the income account that the sale should be attributed to. In the inventory information section, simply indicate the asset account and the reorder point. The on-hand and total value and the as of calendar selector are used if you're entering beginning balances for inventory that you had on hand at the time that you created your QuickBooks company file. For inventory that you create after the start date, you won't usually fill in those values. Once you're finished, simply click the OK button to add the item into your item list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.